Chandravali goes on, "O Padma, is Krishna now tied up and bound by the Bhadaradhakataksha Guner? Is he bound by the ropes of Radharani's sidelong glances? Or has Krishna now started fighting a war with the powerful enemies of the devatas? Alas, Vidumukhi, O moon-faced Gopi Padma, it is already the 8th day of Krishna Paksha, Ashtami. The moon is now rising in the east, and Brajeshwara Nandan does not remember me." So we can see that the next one is Kandit. The Kandit means Kandit, like a kanda. Kanda means broken. Kandita. So the 4th type of heroine is a Kandita. And she becomes, when the lover doesn't arrive at the appointed rendezvous place, for example in the Kunj, she becomes Kandit. She's broken-hearted. She's a cheated, devastated lover. She's heartbroken. Her hopes and anticipations and all her excitements and decorations and Vasik Saja and Vera Utkantita. Now it's all that decorations and anticipation, excitement and eagerness and anxiousness has now become, she's become angry and silent and hopeless. So after the first type of the second type of Nayaka, the Vasa Saja, the Gopi that goes to the Kunj like Radharani, Alita Vishaka, yearning to enjoy amorous pastimes with Krishna, gazing down the path, anxiously waiting for his arrival, hoping. And then he doesn't. Then some time goes, and it's past the actual time, and then she becomes, eagerness overtakes her, the feeling and mood of eagerness and anxiousness, and now her Vasa Sajabha becomes Utkantita, and then this comes to Kandit, and then Kandit evolves and manifests in a different form of mood or Nayaka Bhav as Vipralabdha. So these 3 conditions after the waiting, hopeful waiting lover in the Kunj, Utkantita, Kandita, and Vipralabdha, they share some common features. The common feature is that the Gopi, lover of Krishna, she's completely dependent on Krishna. She's feeling greatly dependent and hopeful, anxious, and eager. And she's longing for Krishna in his absence. So then, commenting on this verse, I didn't finish it actually. Let me finish the verse. Chandrali says, I said that. It's Krishna Ashtami, the moon is rising in the east, and it doesn't seem, Padmaji, that Krishna is remembering me. He's totally forgotten. And Vishwanath comments, "Oh Padma, alas, Shyam doesn't remember me on this Ashtami. Is it possible for Shyam to remain without thinking of my sweetness? Doesn't Shyam remember me? Alas, oh, what fortune! So in this verse of chapter 5 of Ujjvala Nilamani, verse 81, spoken by Chandravali to Padma, confiding in her that it appears that Krishna has forgotten her and neglected to come to the Kunj to meet her on Krishna Ashtami. So she's expressing her anxiousness and despair.